everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another What I Eat in a Day. If you're new to these videos, I know you guys love them, but basically I show you all really easy, healthy, delicious meal ideas that I like to make. They're not complicated, but they taste really good. And for those of you who are new, I do follow basically mainly paleo. I can't eat gluten or dairy, and then I just don't feel good when I have grains, so I tend to minimize those in like my day-to-day life. I eat intuitively, I like to fast, I kind of just eat what my body needs. So I do follow intuitive eating, but I can't eat those other things. So that's kind of like a little bit of a background. So this morning I just started off with my coffee. I have been loving the Sigmatic ground coffee with lion's mane and chaga. I only recently tried the ground version with the lion's mane. You guys know that I love the Adaptogen version that's ground. Recently tried this one and I love a dark roast, and this tastes delicious. And it's also extra exciting because today's video is sponsored by Sigmatic, which is so exciting. You guys know I partnered with them last year, so I'm really excited to be partnering with them again this year. I've used them for years. If you go back to my What I Eat in a Days from like 3 years ago, you see Sigmatic. So that's how much I love them. And they are having a giant sale right now, so I do want to mention that right away. Up to 50% off, even their bundles, which is crazy, plus an extra 15% off with my link. So that means some things are up to 65% off. So if you've been wanting to try it, now it's definitely the time, and you can shop through my link. What I love about this one, which is the lion's mane and chaga one, is lion's mane is really good for your brain. So I start this off with my day. It gives me that extra boost of brain power. I don't get jittery. It's like this very calm, focus, energized, so good for your brain. So I've been loving this one, but like I said, the Adaptogen one is also really good as well. It is now time for breakfast, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know I have been obsessed with paleo porridge. I'm that type of person, when I fall in love with a recipe, I make it like all the time, and this is my current favorite breakfast. It's very nice and filling and warm. Perfect if you are like me and you live somewhere that's very cold outside. Like I'm looking at snow right now. And it keeps me full for like a good 4 or 5 hours, which I like because I'm busy, I'm running around, I'm filming, I'm doing things. I find it sometimes gets like annoying if I'm like hungry every 2 hours. So this one keeps me really full. So we're gonna go ahead and make that now. So this is everything we're going to need. I have almond flour, cinnamon, a quarter of a small banana that is frozen that I was letting thaw. It just adds a little bit of sweetness, but it is optional. Nut butter, some almond milk. I love this almond milk. I would highly recommend using this almond milk over other almond milks. It's just a lot more creamy in the porridge. Some flax, and then I'm gonna top it with some fresh berries. So there's some raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries in this jar that I'm gonna like put on top. So I have my porridge with my berries on top, and it's so filling. It keeps me full for like 4 or 5 hours even. So that's why I really like it. Plus it's warm and cozy, perfect for those cooler days. Hey everyone, so it is about 4 hours later. I realized I didn't address this in the breakfast, but I'm wearing a wrist brace because I have a bit of tendinitis in my wrist. It happened a couple days ago, and it was just severe pain where I couldn't even bend it or put pressure or use it. It's a lot better now than it was. I would say it's about 80% better, but I still want to wear it to help keep my wrist more neutral. So lunchtime, normally I go for eggs. Like I like eggs a lot for lunch because they're a quick protein, they're easy, they're rich in choline, which is good for your brain, and all the great stuff is in the egg yolks. I see there's a lot. People get rid of the yolks because they're scared of them for some reason. Great healthy fats, great amino acids, choline, everything to nourish your body is in the yolk. So please do not get rid of the yolks. Look for dark colored yolks too. That gives you an idea of the quality of the egg too. So I'm gonna do that with like avocado. I'm gonna show you a special spice I've been loving. I've been loving sumac on my eggs and avocado. I had it at a restaurant and then I had to go buy this sumac spice because it was so delicious. So I add that on. Just gonna have it with some greens, kind of a lighter lunch. And that's kind of what I'm feeling right now. And then if I get hungry later, I can always have something, but like, I don't know, I'm just really craving this kind of like combination right now. So let's go ahead and make it. So it's a little while later now. I am hungry because my lunch was quite light, but like it was what I wanted at the time. Anyways, we're gonna make a chocolate smoothie. And what I love about this is that the chocolate is like raw cacao. So we're getting all the benefits, all the antioxidants and stuff like that from the cacao. And I'm using the Sigmatic Superfood Protein, which I will show you. And I love this one because it has all the mushrooms in it. So you get protein, plus you get the mushrooms. So you get ashwagandha, erythro, cordyceps, lion's mane, reishi, turkey tail, chaga, so many adaptogens, and it's kind of like a one-stop shop. I've mentioned it in my videos before, but so you add the protein and you have all the benefits, and it's like easy because it's all in one product. So this is like, I would say one of my top 3 recommendations from them. The lion's mane coffee, this, and then probably what you're gonna see later in this video. But that's why I really like this protein, because it makes it easy for people to just do like a scoop, and it just tastes really good too. So there's no stevia, it's vegan, it's gluten-free. Yeah, so I really like it, and it's gonna give me a little, you know, a little pep in my step for the rest of the afternoon. And then the other things I add is, like I said, the raw cacao, some almond butter, flax, almond milk, and a pinch of Himalayan salt, which helps to bring out the chocolate flavor. So we have our wonderful chocolate smoothie, guys. Look at that color. Let's have a taste. Oh, it's so good. It's so like true chocolatey because of the raw cacao. We got all the benefits and nice and filling because of all the protein. So I am someone who likes to have dinner quite early, so I'm gonna get to work on preheating the oven and getting everything chopped up. I thought I would make like some roasted vegetables, so roasted sweet potato, broccoli, and I also have to meal prep some like lamb meatballs. So I'm gonna have like a really nourishing bowl of like protein and veggies, and a little bit of sweet potato. It's going to be very delicious, and it's usually like the theme I go to when I make my dinners. I roast veggies and I have some kind of protein and like some kind of greens. So I took 3 of the meatballs and saved the rest for later, and then the sweet potato and the broccoli. So yummy. The protein and healthy fats will fill me up, and then we have some complex carbs and some delicious broccoli, which is probably like my favorite vegetable. So it's after dinner now. I feel like I'm coming down with something all of a sudden. I feel like really low energy and like a headache, and I just really do not want to get sick. So I'm gonna make a warm cup of this mushroom golden latte from Sigmatic. I like this. Well, A, it's caffeine free, so it's perfect for nighttime. Turmeric is super, super good for you, but also it makes it so easy because you don't have to measure out turmeric, black pepper, coconut milk, and all that thing. It already has all of it in it. Plus it has shiitake extract. Yeah, and like I said, it also has the black pepper, which helps you absorb it. Holy basil, ginger, So it's a lot easier to make. I do also love the Reishi Hot Cacao. You guys have seen me have that all the time. But we did have a chocolate smoothie, and like I said, I'm craving the golden milk. And what I like about this is that it's individual packets. And then all you have to do is, you know, add your hot water and you're good to go. So that's what I really like about this. It makes it a lot, like, I'm gonna have it a lot more often if I can just put water into a packet than if I'm measuring out all that little stuff. And it's so creamy and delicious too. So it's that perfect kind of like nighttime something. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm gonna take it easy for the rest of the night because I definitely do not want to be sick. And like, one of the best things when you're sick or when you're getting sick is sleep, rest. Your body needs to recuperate. So I'm gonna leave the Four Sigmatic link down below. So during their winter sale, you can get up to 65% off using the link down below. And their site is super easy to navigate. You can filter by coffees, blends, matcha, and you can even filter for caffeine. So if you're looking for caffeine free, you can definitely select that option too. So it's super easy to use. I'm gonna stock up on a few things too, and there may or may not be a giveaway coming to my Instagram, because why not? I thought it would be the perfect time to pick up some goodies for you guys. So make sure you're following me on Instagram as well so you don't miss that. I hope you guys got some really good ideas from this video, and you can kind of see that like my meals are very simple and easy. Like, I just do protein and vegetables and kind of whatever's on sale that week I buy, and then I cook and I eat that. It doesn't have to be complicated. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated at all. And it's also, you can meal prep all the stuff that I made like in advance. Like, you guys saw that I made the meatballs. You can definitely roast the veggies in advance and things like that. I also do want to mention that a lot of the time I do take the Four Sigmatic packets on the go with me, or when I travel, because it's really easy to find hot water and like in hotel rooms, or even like on the go, it's easy to find like hot water. So that's also a really great tip. I like to keep a few in my purse. So that's a really good thing to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already to see lots more healthy recipes from me. And again, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. I'm so grateful for this online family we've created. And yeah, I love you guys so much. So I'm gonna go now and yeah, have a great day, everybody. Bye.